This is Elena from Artistic Thoughts by Elena. This is a test. I'm not sure if I'll even put this video down. I'm testing colors because I have a commission for a client. And as I look at her picture that she's given me, there's brown, there's some blue, there's some tan, there's some lime green, there's some turquoise in it. So I have this paint by Sherwin-Williams. Let's see, what is it called? It is called Freshwater. And I'm going to use it as my pillow. This is an open pour, and I'm going to just add colors and see what I get. And I think I'll lit it up a little so it'll come up. Have a way to flow. Okay, perfect. Then I'll start with some brown. And I want to lighten up on the brown. I don't want it real heavy. Orange. I'm pouring high because I was told, and I've seen it, when you pour high, you get more salts. Now I have the turquoise. Then I need some lime green here. And I'm going to pour high again. I don't know if you're getting this all on the camera, but I think for good measure, I am going to add some white. So let me get my white here. Here it is. Had an open bottle. Let's pour it in. Let's pour a lot of it. Okay. Now let's go again. Just this time I'm going to use a light brown. No, that's gold. Or is that gold? Yeah, that's gold. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh. High up. I love that. So you can see the salts. This is what I want to go for. Let's give it some more orange. In fact, a lot of orange. It's moving on its own. And I like that. And some more. No, I'm not going to use turquoise. I'm going to use another lime green. I have, it's right here. It's a brand new bottle. Okay. And let's twist it. Pull up a tiny bit. Release it. Pull up a little. Release. Pull up. Release. Pull up. Release. Pull up. Twist. Release. Twist. Release. twist, release, twist, twist, twist. Nice. I'll put it in this little paper plate here just to hold it. These are kind of nice colors. It seems to have a little bit of what she wants, I hope. Last one I made was just it had too much brown in it. And brown almost looks like okay, I like this. This is different. And I just had to move the canvas so I could kind of cover that edge a little bit. But every once in a while I had a drop. So I thought, oh, that kind of gives it some kind of interest. So, you know, art is very subjective. But I love these cells. Look at all those gorgeous cells. And that's from pouring into an open cup high, pouring the paint high, so when it comes down, it does something chemically and it creates those cells. And that's a lesson for me. I learned that from a gentleman, and he, I think it's Studio 15 or something like that. But yeah, look at those cells. They are so interesting and beautiful. So now I can do something with this, and I like it. So I think I'm going to use this combination for my client, and I pray that she likes what I do here too. It'll give her something cheerful. So let's go for it. Okay, I'm playing. This is just a sample canvas. I do love all the cells in there, but you know what? It's okay if I put a bloom, maybe here. I don't know. Yeah, even there. Right there with all that white. It's okay. I'm not that big of a fan of it. So if I cover it up a little, that's okay. But I'm just playing, and I'm just going to use the dryer to create my bloom. But I think I'm going to go turquoise, orange, and then black cell activator. So where's my black cell activator? So I can be ready. And let's see what else. Here it is. Yeah. So, and yeah, I think I'm going to put some green. I'm going to put some green in the bottom. Just to give it some color. So let's go for it. I mean, I have a spot right here. I'm just going to put it on top of the spot. That's going to be the basis of it. Should I do orange now? Yeah, I think I will. And I'm just going to blow it. So I might change it a lot. But I did like that cell action right there. I just feel like playing a little. You know how you get when you want to play. And I'm just going to be gentle with the blue, the turquoise. Just kind of gentle, not overbearing. Then my black cell activator. And squirt that out if it wants to come out. So here's my needle. Thank goodness for my needle. Okay, one drop. Okay, one drop. Now, folks, you never hardly see me do this because I do have different methods for blowing them out. But I am going to blow this one out with the dryer so you can watch me. Well, it would help if I was plugged, huh? Okay. So, let's go for it. Are you home? Yeah. Okay, good. Didn't come out exactly what they wanted it to, but... Hey, babe. Okay, love. My family's home from their little adventure. See, what do I want? Okay. Not bad. Oh, I lost some of that cell action I liked. But it's still not bad. What am I going to do? Am I going to create a butterfly here? I think I just created a butterfly there. Nice colors. Yeah. So let me play with this and I'll be back and show you what I got. Sometimes through a bloom you can see clear skies. This is nice. I like the colors. And I think it's pretty. And I'm impressed.